Oh, look at the awesome, really awesome, if the light can catch it, although, anyway, what's it called? A gear stick, a TRD gear stick. It's the TRD 6-speed gear stick. It will amaze ya, bringing back the full TRD flavour. A little bit of a tribute to Mighty Car Mods there. It's the TRD laser. No, it's the TRD Celica with its TRD gear stick, and it will amaze ya. This car's going to get lots of TRD parts, or at least fake ones anyway. Like this, $15 on eBay. Best thing I've bought. Yeah, I'm just holding my hand in the spot to get the glare. When I take my hand away, you can't even see it on the camera. Haha, that's funny. Anyway, I'm about to put some spark plugs in the car as well. Some brand new ones I've just ordered. Tell me if you're a Celica man who owns one of these kind of Celicas. You think of these, they're NGK laser iridium. And one of them's open here. Where is it? I'll just open one. Okay, here we go. So there you go. It's got one of them fine iridium tips. Anyway, it was $64 for a 4-pack for 4 of them, or $16 each or something. Can't remember. Anyway, so that's about to get installed, and I'll maybe take another video or pictures or something after that and try the car out. Hopefully they fit. Alright, well thanks for watching this video from the TRD Enthusiast channel.